Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy Lil Roy. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm still up. Cause you know what I mean. It is 4 o'clock in the morning for stuff like that. I'm finna bust a rap for y'all, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Cause I'm about to get ready to go back to sleep. So I'm gonna bust another freestyle for y'all. Just got one more left for you, okay? Just one more. You peep at the end, okay? Just make sure you may come by. Just know what to do, motherfucker. All come by. Shit. Uh. Uh huh. Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Both right. Motherfucking, I haven't seen you one before then. I made the trauma was I'm making no intended drive. Never made love for a girl ever since 13. I promised high school was straight. Too many kisses thought of bothering me and they don't understand. Cause I'll lose your girl when it's over. Southwest, I always been the from. I rap for everybody, then they like the way I did. I ain't since tripping. I ain't losing my same friends from the west. I be hanging with my new homies, moment in the hood, and I remember that boy. I think about to make something different if I'm for real with my homies now. And me be driving Opelids and moving scene and drop thing, the moving the copyright that makes us trying to hit the drop. And Seeker Locan can make it sense that Lautrin, the Tundrin, the Hop on Mountain, the hustling, the armor grill. And different woman trader got me in this trim bro. Peaceful, beautiful. Remember seeing that trim about 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, this year in 2013. Hey, moment seen your way they got them in the coastland, the central man, the pathway. So back off before I beat the heck out of your face, fool. Cause I'm a best king of the fight around him in A-Sound. Let me drive and hit my grind and don't pay me nothing. I never paid it, but once before a million thing. I'll get 100 and I'll pay you like a million. And go to the store one day or go to the mall, pack you up some new clothes. Then you all get fresh up for everybody. Then you make some new friends, and maybe try but nobody. So don't let nobody laugh you. No one mentions someone wasn't making no opinion come. Travel minute, but I'm tired going to know the trial. I'm gonna mention stream because if you know I feel right things and intros and got no way. You know, world's things what you got, y'all. Thank you did, but I know y'all be comfortable. Go. I know you did it right, cause the thing ain't no what playing. They know I think I'm a thug, like I'm home seeing a dry day. Me and you know, man. I know the thing was going on, you feel me? But I love y'all.